Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Podcast Daily English Boost. This is a safe place to practice English, slow English, real English. And I'm Jane.
Yes, welcome. We're really happy you're here today. If you are learning English, you're in the right place. I'm Joseph.
Today's topic is very simple, very useful. We're going to talk about your day.
Your day, your routine, the things you do every day.
Before we start, please like this podcast, subscribe to the channel. It really helps us grow and keep making lessons for you.
All right, take a deep breath, relax. Let's begin.
We'll start with the morning. Morning is the first part of the day.
Listen first. Just listen.
I wake up at 6 a.m. I brush my teeth. I wash my face.
Now, let's talk about the key phrase. I wake up at.
You can say, I wake up at 5. I wake up at 7 a.m. I wake up early. I wake up late.
Good job. Very easy.
Next phrase. I get out of bed.
Example, I get out of bed and stretch.
Now, food. Breakfast.
Listen, I eat breakfast. My breakfast is simple.
Here's a real example. My quick breakfast is a banana.
Or, I drink tea. I drink coffee. I drink water.
Let's repeat together. Say it after me.
I wake up at 6. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast.
Good job. You're doing great already. After breakfast, many people go out.
Listen, I go to work. I go to school. I stay at home.
You can also say, I leave the house at 8 a.m.
Or, I take the bus. I walk to work.
Let's use it in a short conversation.
Jane, what do you do in the morning?
Well, Joseph, I wake up at 6. I eat a small breakfast. Then I go to work.
Simple, clear, real English.
Now, let's talk about the afternoon.
Listen first.
In the afternoon, I work. I study. I have lunch.
Key phrase. I have lunch at.
Example, I have lunch at 1 p.m.
Or, I eat rice. I eat noodles. I eat bread.
Very simple sentences are okay. Short is good.
Let's repeat together. Jane and Joseph. I have lunch at 1. I work in the afternoon. I study English.
Yes, that's perfect.
Now it's the evening.
Evening is after working or after school activities.
Listen, in the evening, I relax.
You can say, I watch TV, I listen to music, I cook dinner.
Real example. In the evening, I watch YouTube.
Or, I practice English.
Good choice, Jane.
Let's do a short dialogue.
Jane, what do you do in the evening?
I eat dinner, I relax, I practice English.
Amazing. Very natural.
Last part of the day, night.
Listen, at night, I sleep.
You can also say, I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Or, I check my phone. I read a little.
Repeat with us.
I go to bed at 10. I sleep at night.
Excellent. Now, listen for a full day.
I wake up at 6 a.m. I eat a banana for breakfast. I go to work. I have lunch at 1 p.m. In the evening, I watch TV. At night, I go to bed at 10.
Now, listen again.
I wake up at 6 a.m. I eat a banana for breakfast. I go to work. I have lunch at 1 p.m. In the evening, I watch TV. At night, I go to bed at 10.
Now, it's your turn. Pause the podcast. Say your day out loud.
Even if it's not perfect, that's okay. You're learning.
Now, let's recap today's key phrases.
I wake up at 6 a.m. I eat breakfast in the morning. I go to work or school. I have lunch at 1 p.m. In the evening, I read a little and I go to bed at 9.
You learned how to talk about your day. That's big progress.
Seriously, daily English is powerful.
Now, our community question.
Tell us in the comments, what time do you wake up?
Write one simple sentence. We'll read it.
Keep practicing. You're improving already.
See you in the next episode. Bye.
Bye everyone. Great job today.